What are those? Those are crayons. Looky. You color in the teddy bear. Bubba, look. Mommy's coloring. Can you color with Mommy? Color your teddy bears. Huh. Those are crayons. What do you think? No, no, no! Cocky! Cock! Ah. Yucky. Yucky. Mommy said they're yucky. Get them out of your mouth. Come on. They may say non-toxic, but we're not going to eat them. We're not going to eat them. You're not supposed to color your face. Lucky. They still work after you chew on them. What color is that? That's red. That's green. Uh-oh. You dropped one? Did you find it? There you go. Caca. What do you think? It's yellow. That's Nana's favorite color. Yeah. Yucky.